Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We're going to look at a BDS blocker plate part number 0935116. Now this one, as you see, made in Australia. This is designed for knob sets. So if you've got a knob set or a lever, you would buy this one, particularly if that knob set or lever had a 60mm back set. So what I mean by that is the center of this hole would be either 60 or 70mm. So 60mm or 70mm. If you've got a 127mm back set, then you don't really need to worry about it. So if this was your door, the center of the hole, not the start of the hole. So if that was the hole in the door, okay, center of the hole to the edge of the door is your back set, not this part here, center. So the most common is 60 and 70. For this blocker plate here, it fits very nicely with 60 and 70. What you'll end up looking like is something like that, where your knob set fits in there nice and neat. That's why the cutout is there for knob sets at the 60 and 70mm back set. Alright, let's go over some specs on it. Thickness of this plate, I've got 2mm. Height of this bend right here, well, I'd say about 16 to 18mm. Length overall, 275. Width, 80mm. And the cutout here is generally quite large for commercial grade footprint. So yeah, I haven't had any trouble where it doesn't fit in. If you've got a residential grade sort of handle lock, you'll have no troubles, but generally it's fitted for the sort of like commercial range of footprint. So there has been times when I've had to actually enlarge on this when you've got like the really heavy duty locks, but very rarely. Sometimes you can just move it out a little bit and it will just work just fine. You've got 4 bolts there, so to fit this you simply line it up on your edge of the door. Let's say that this cardboard is the edge of the door, for example. There we go. So what I would do is I would come along and I'd line it up like this, lining up this point and this point to the edge of the door, making sure my lock is nice and centered right here. Then I would mark it, drill a pilot hole, probably a 5mm or a 4mm, drill right through the door, and then drill with a 10mm from the inside and from this side. So you go 50-50 from both sides with the larger drill bit. That way you get less splitting. The bolts themselves here, generally they go from about 36mm up to about 50mm doors. You've got Allen key on the inside, so if you've got one of those Allen key drivers on your impact driver or so, it speeds up the process and really clamps it in there. These bolts right here, they're about 10mm hole will be required. Top of this one here is about almost 17mm, bottom of this one here is about 16mm. They also work really well to plug holes in doors, so yeah. That's the product right there, available from drlock.com.au. Just go to our lock shop and you can purchase it from there. It's a good plate. It protects the lock latch from people shimmying it, or getting in there to try and manipulate the latch, or getting in there to try and flex the door, or getting in there and trying to break the latch to get it to break in. So you put this on the edge of the door for basically to upgrade the security and make it harder for the burglars to break in. Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.